Explore our most popular affordable range, reversible composite decking boards. Perfect for creating a durable and eco-friendly area, composite decking options include our hollow core decking boards, a market-leading first-generation board with 5 hollow chambers spread across its width to evenly distribute weight. These composite boards are cost-effective, low maintenance, and come with a choice of a wood grain effect or a low-slip surface. Also available as a solid core composite board. These boards are ideal for high traffic areas such as commercial spaces or busy households, offering improved stability and strength. To complete your decking space, we offer reversible bullnose boards for a neat, rounded edge or picture frame effect. Reversible composite fascia boards are also available in 2.4 metre lengths to provide a seamless finish for raised areas and steps. And to complete your composite project, skirting and corner trims are perfect for hiding exposed ends and covering gaps between boards and joists. These products provide a complete solution for a stylish, functional composite decking area. Get your decking boards quickly with fast nationwide delivery.